Hey guys, my name is Blake Cadwell from Soundly.com, and in this video we're going to be reviewing each of the models of earplugs available from the brand Loop. Now, if you've been researching earplugs online, you've almost certainly seen this brand. It's probably the most popular earplug brand on the market. They have great products for drowning out snoring partners, products specifically for going to concerts and allowing the right types of sound in while also protecting your ears. And they also have a product that is perfect for those who just want to bring down the edge that you might have on the sound around you in a coffee shop or an airplane. These have become really popular over the last couple of years, and we're going to talk about each of the models. There's even a kids version here, which we'll unbox. The way we're going to structure this review is I'm going to quickly unbox each one. I'll show you what it looks like. We're going to do this very quickly. I'll talk about some of the specs and what each model is best for. You can skip around in that portion of the video. Then towards the end of the video, I'm actually going to do a demonstration where we'll play out some music. You'll hear it through an open ear, and then you'll be able to hear it through each one of the different earplugs using our sound recording mannequin here in our test studio. We'll start with the Quiet 2, which is the product focused on blocking all sound out. This is best for sleeping. Again, the product currently is on sale for $24.95, usually around that price. Has a very flexible silicone feel, and it's typically best when you are alone or when you're sleeping. It's great for focus, it's great for travel, commutes. It blocks out up to 24 decibels, and the reviews are great, especially for folks who are trying to block out snoring or street sounds, things like that while they're sleeping. The second popular product is Engage 2. This is mostly focused on situations where you want to take the edge off without affecting speech. So imagine you're at a coffee shop and you're co-studying with someone. You want to be able to hear their voice, but you don't want the din of the background noise, the music, all of the coffee shop machines and sound that's around you. Let's say you also maybe have high sensitivity. It's a great product to just take the edge off. It reduces the sound by 16 decibels, and it typically runs about $35 for a pair. The third product in the Loop lineup is the Experience 2. The Experience 2 is mostly focused on keeping sound quality crisp while reducing volume. So imagine concerts, music festivals, really live entertainment of any kind. This product is going to be really well suited to those types of environments. The whole point is to bring down the volume, but not to distort it. So you can still enjoy music, but you're protecting your hearing. You're going to get about 17 decibels of sound reduction with this product. And again, it should be flat or mostly flat across frequencies, so it allows most sounds to come through to your ears naturally. The price for this product is also around $35 for a pair. Let's move on to the specialty products in the Loop lineup. The first one is Switch. You can think of this as a multifunctional pair of earplugs. You can switch between Engage, Experience, and Quiet simply by twisting the back of the earplug. It's going to basically alter the sound around you. Now, again, this product is a little bit less comfortable, especially if you're sleeping on your side, but it is a great value. It's around $60 for a pair, but you've got this kind of multifunctional device that you can take with you wherever you go. The final specialty product available through Loop is Engage Kids. This product is great for kids who are 6 and above. They have a number of different sizes of ear tips, so you can find one that fits your child. And it's great for folks who are looking for some sensory reduction or some hearing protection. It gives you 16 decibels of filtered noise reduction. All right, now that you understand the full lineup of Loop's products, including their Switch, Kids, Engage, Experience, and of course, Quiet, let's actually put these to the test. We're going to play some music here in our test studio. We're going to put the devices inside of our test mannequin, and we'll give you a chance to listen to what it actually sounds like to have each of these different devices in your ear. Let's get into it. I hope this video has been helpful as you try to understand the full range of earplugs available through Loop. I personally find each of these products interesting in their own ways. The Switch product's the one I've been wearing the most because it's given me an opportunity to switch into each of these modes. But I hope this demonstration helps, and good luck with your research.